Happy Veganuary, day 13. After another not so perfect recipe day trying to make croissants, this morning I'm making perfect, easy, delicious vegan waffles. Preheat the waffle iron. In a small bowl, mix together 60 milliliters of chia and 180 milliliters of water. Stir and set aside for 10 minutes. In a large measuring cup, combine 875 milliliters of oat milk and 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Stir it in a little and also set aside. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 liter of flour, 30 milliliters of baking powder, 5 milliliters of salt, and 90 milliliters of sugar. And then whisk that all together. Next, add the flax mixture to the milk mixture, 125 milliliters of melted vegan butter, and 10 milliliters of vanilla extract. And then we're gonna mix this, and then we're gonna put it in the dry ingredients. And then we're gonna stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Oil the waffle iron with a pastry brush to get it in all the cracks. There you go. And now I'm gonna use half a cup to pour the batter mixture into the waffle maker. My mom by accidentally got whole wheat flour, but this still tastes really good.
Did you just stick a whole piece in your mouth at once?
Mm-hmm. Looks like we used whole wheat for the croissants yesterday, so we're gonna try again later. All right, let's try it. Don't forget the syrup. All right. That was really good. The sweetness.
That's okay. It's just syrup on the carpet. That's fine. Well, nothing could be wrong with that.
That's really sweet and crunchy and amazing. That's really good.